Hi family, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you two ways of making your rice balls aside the normal way. Yes, I already have rice ball on this channel, but today I'm going to teach you two easy ways to do it as well. And I'll be using the regular rice, the jasmine perfume Thai rice. Then I'm going to use the local rice as well. So this is the long grain rice, the normal perfumed Thai rice. So there's a cup of it. Then I milled it with my blender to get it very, very smooth. Then once I was done, I just had to get my saucepan, then pour it into it, and then I add in my water to it, and I just let it sit for a while. Please be very careful of the quantity of water you use. Because this is very smooth and powdered, you tend to need less water. So one mistake I made initially when I shot this video was to use too much water, and it's really worried my texture. So I'll put the water quantities in there as well. So the next one I did was with local rice. But I know local rice is a bit hard to mill. So when I was done, or if you don't have a strong blender like I'm using, I just had this option in there for people like that or those in that kind of situation right now. So you just need your rice, add in your water, and you blend. When you blend, it's going to look a bit white and creamy because the local rice has quite a lot of starch. And this is a starch that is going to make your rice ball feel a bit sticky and hold together. So you don't need to pour it away. And because the local rice are a bit tough, when you blend with water, you won't get it smooth or powdery like if you mill it without the water. So that is okay because most Ghanaians like their rice balls a bit grainy in there. So you just add in your salt, mix it for a while. You cover it up for it to cook up a bit. And after a while, once you've seen it cook and then the water reducing, you don't want it to burn. So you just have to start stirring. Ubechi. So you'd have to mix it together. I don't know how to say ubechi in English, so please pardon me. If it was Kopot, we would have said paddling or something, but we're not paddling. So if you know the English name, please put it in the comment section below. So yes, once you cooking it, the local rice takes a bit of water, so you'd have to be tasting it to see for the salt and then the water. If it's too soft, you are good. But if it's hard, you have to be adding in bits of water, covering it up and letting it cook. So this is all I did. And you realize it was still looking grainy and feeling grainy. That's how typically most Ghanaians would want their rice ball. But the beauty about this blending method is that it saves you the number of minutes you spend cooking it. So it's reduced to like half the time you spend in making your rice balls. And depending on how smooth you want it, you get your result quicker. So if you use the full blend, no water, you end up getting much finer or smoother results than if you use the blending with water method. And when you are done, you can wrap them in your polythenes or you can leave it in your bowls. It's all up to you. I did this together with my rare. I also did another one when I was in the granite soup. So yes, this is how I enjoyed my rice balls. Yes, you realize how thick and consistent it was. This was a local rice version. So do give these rice ball recipes a try in this new year and save some time cooking what you love to eat and enjoy cooking. Till I see you in the next food video, do live life to the fullest, be joyous, be merry. Lots of love for my team and I. Mwah.